Thanks for checking in again. It's Sunday, 6:30 p.m. I'm going to cut a video real quick here because I want to do another video tonight because things are looking a little interesting here. I want to talk about that storm I've been talking about last week for Wednesday. Nobody supports it. Okay, the consensus is the storm is going to be out to sea. That's what's been like all weekend. The upper air data is not, the upper air support's not there for it. Nothing's there for it. It's going to be a southern storm that slides out to sea. And that's what the models are showing, or should I say, we're showing more of up until, say, some of the last runs today. So let's look why real quick. It's all about upper air. So basically, the reason why there was no storm, basically, is because if you look here, this is a positively tilted trough. Okay, this is separate from the positively tilted trough. You have this feature here that acts to actually kick out the energy here, like that. Okay, you have a ridge that's moving away. So that says basically, okay, storm out to sea. Okay? Now, things have changed a little bit. Now, I'm looking at an 18Z GFS run, which is the third run of the day. Not the most accurate, but the trends on other models have been there too. So look at this. This is from late last night. Then we go to this afternoon. Then we go to the latest run. Look what we have here now. We have a consolidation of energy here. We have this feature is not as strong. Okay, we have a low trying to set up in the right spot here. We have a ridge. It looks like it still wants to retrograde or move out a little bit, but not as much. So things are a little interesting. Now let's look at the upper air energy. This is a 500 millibar height pattern. Let's look at the upper air energy. Okay, so this was last night. This was this afternoon, early this afternoon. This is the latest run. Notice what you have here again. Well, let's clear that out. You have more consolidation of energy here. Now, we still have a positively tilted trough, right? But what's going to happen here is if this energy consolidates more, it's going to cause the storm to be tighter, wrap up, and you can see a negatively tilted trough. That's not the consensus. Consensus is now that people are saying, oh, we're going to see a big southern snowstorm. Models are showing a foot of snow. Honestly, could that happen? Yes, it's not likely to happen. Now, is a storm going to hit our area and give us a foot of snow? That's hard to say, too. I mean, I don't have much support for that, but I'm going to let you know plain out, I'm going to stick to my guns on this one. I think we're going to continue to see a correction. I think that, yes, if you look at the upper air data as is, yes, it doesn't look great, but it's all based on initialization data. And if that data is wrong, and we see the energy set up a little bit differently, which it's been doing all year, I think we could see a different setup. So I'm going to give this until probably tomorrow afternoon to see how it trends. Let's see if this trend continues. Let's just see if this is a fluke run. If you go to some of the ensemble members here, this is interesting. So this basically shows the runs of the GFS model corrected for error. So you see most of them are out to shore like the model still shows. But look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ensemble members that are hinting that this could come closer to the coast than some people think. And let's look at what it looked like yesterday. So yesterday, this was our storm. No storm, right? Now look at the shift. Okay? So still, not giving us snow. Gives internal Carolina, Virginia snow. It could stay like that. But I'm going to keep an eye on this. So check in later. I might have an update either late tonight or early tomorrow morning. Follow me. Let's see if the trend continues. But I've been, I'm a little biased now because I've been looking at this damn thing for a week now. And let's see what happens. This is going to be interesting. Thanks for checking in.